From my point of view, men whose souls don't satisfy himself. Unfortunately, the advance in the technology has caused positive and negative effects on the environment. The positive impact of technology on the environment is the development of solar invention over time that heals the environment, such as the electric car, while has been changed the alternative fuels for electricity. The development of alternative electricity using solar panels and wind power mills. The development of this invention seeks to take advantage of natural resources, do not causing harm on the environment. I consider that those mitigates the negative impacts of technologies on the environment. Measures must by token those avoid environmental demands if people do not change their service there will be in shortage of natural resources. They exist for economic growth consequences such as deforestation, soils, water, air, atmospheres pollution, extinctions of animals and plant species. As governments and the United Nations needs to work on developing new policies for sustainable populations development is current trends continue global warming and wool degradations is irreversible.